In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your online store's product listings by setting them to automatically relist. This feature can save you time and ensure your products remain visible to potential buyers with minimal effort. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to head over to your Seller Hub. This is the central hub of your online store's operations where you can manage your listings, monitor your sales, and track your store's performance. Once you're there, look for the listings section. This is the place where all your product listings are organized, and from here you can create new listings or make changes to existing ones. If you're adding a new product, you'll want to click on the option that says Create Listing. However, the process is just as simple if you're modifying an existing listing. Just select the listing you wish to revise from your list of current products. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to dig into the selling details. Pay special attention to this section because it contains options critical for streamlining your sales process. Here, you'll find various settings that pertain to pricing, schedule, and importantly, how often your listing stays active. One key feature you should focus on is the automatically relist option. Checking this option allows your product listings to be automatically renewed when they end after a certain period. This is extremely useful as it keeps your items live on your store, reducing the chances of missing out on sales simply because a listing expired unnoticed. It essentially takes a bit of the manual work off your plate so you can focus on other important aspects of your business. Once you've enabled the automatically relist feature, make sure to save the changes. This final step is crucial because it ensures that all modifications you've made are recorded. Look for a save button or an equivalent option at the bottom or top of the page, depending on your platform's layout. And there you go. With just a few simple steps, you've optimized your product listings management by utilizing the automatic relisting feature. Remember, this not only helps keep your items visible to buyers, but also can enhance the operational efficiency of your store. It's all about making use of the tools available to you to maximize productivity and ensure your business runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to better manage your online store. Until next time, happy selling!